heard something that really resonates a lot, and that is that our gift that we're good at is our talents, our gift to the world. Okay, so the things that we're good at is our gift to the world, and the things that are the hardest for us is our tikkun, our fixing. So the things that are the hardest, like we all very often like come back to again and again and again and again. It's like that, that struggle, but it comes in many different flavors and places and people mirroring that same, that same wheel, right? That same, and that's our fixing. So our talents are our gift to the world, and our hardships is our tikkun, our fixing, that we're really here to do. So we have them both. So the things that are so it's not just one. It's not just let's just focus on all the hard stuff. Let's just have bitter, tea all day, or we're just gonna have like this bitterness all day on all night. It's like we can't operate that. Like we have to have honey. We have to have, we have to have joy. We have to have the things that ice cream, chocolate, like the things that we enjoy. That just gets us, and it's that pendulum of the two, right? Of the opposites that. Yeah. So a little bit more of this incredible piece that we're just like kind of like scratching the surface of, but like unbelievably, like what we learn like almost always relates to the parsha of the week, which I take as an amazing like blessing, that actually learning for lishma, for its sake, because it says like when you learn something and it relates to the reading of the week, so then it's like a very good sign. So I was going to teach this, and then I realized, it's actually in the Parsha. And the Parsha it says over here that we're up to here, Gal gal v'im vav it avid gilgul, di'u beraza de samech vav min yesod. So yesod is basically the sixth sphera, or the ninth coming from and it spells out samech vav, which is 66. And Yesod means foundation. That's the sphere of Yosef. And it's the sphere of connection, of communication. It takes all of the sphirot and it relates them. It almost like catapults it into Malchut. So it says about it, the Itmar Bey, Kol HaNefesh Haba LeYaakov Mitzrayim 66. All of the souls that came into Egypt were 66. And we know that there were three souls that were there was Yosef and his two sons, and then Yocheved, we discussed this last week, who was the 70th soul, but there were 66 souls that came down into Egypt. And what's 66? That's Samech Vav. Samech is 60 and Vav is 6, that's 66. And it has to do with this middle column, the Amuda de Emtsaita. And the middle column, the Zohar tells us, is this channel. We have a channel of the middle column that Shishim le'itaruta de tzadik v'shesh. The middle column is 60. Le'itaruta de tzadik v'shesh. V'chula itramiz betzadik devei gilgul. And they're all hinted to on the level of tzaddik. Tzaddik is basically yesod, that has within it the word gilgul. The ve'od yesod taman yud, the itgalgal bey, and it has the yesod, which is this foundation, which is the source of where the soul came from. So this down channeling, which we spoke about at the beginning, that our our constellations here in this world are only the last stage of this downchaining. And where does it downchain from? It downchains from this level of yesod, of foundation, which is 66, which has within it 60 and then 6, because that's the sixth sphera, and when it's multiplied by 10, that means it has more of this, more of a fullness to it. Ditgalgal bevenach be mikol gilgulin ditgalgal veginda veichal Elohim beyom shvim melachta asher asa. And it says that God rested on the seventh, meaning that the sixth is a preparation for the extraction. Ve'ot vav de gilgul beisalik de tzadik l'shitin ribon, and the letter vav sets up this 600,000 souls, which are the root souls. That we know that all the root souls come from 600,000. So basically we have 600,000 souls, and each soul has 600,000 souls within it. So that means that there are potentially billions of sparks. There are billions of sparks of souls. So he's saying, like, how many souls could there be? There are 600,000 souls. Yeah, but within one soul, there's 600,000 composites, right, that have been throughout, the many, many generations that were here, and that are up in the treasure bank, and they are back in the collective body of Adam, that they have fixed the body of Adam, the collective body of Adam. And we know, we started off with this, in our learning, that this generation is called Ikvata de Mashiach. It's called the heel of Mashiach. That our souls are, on some level, very much of these last souls fixing, the last lower realms that we're doing. But all of these souls have already gone back to their root of Adam, and we're basically about to see what was done not just in this lifetime and in our generation, but in all generations, where souls have already done have been perfected and are back to their source. Jane?